Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so we were discussing about the lateritic soil. So lateritic soils are found in very high rainfall regions. So we have seen the very high fall region of India, high rainfall region of India is the Western Ghats and also some of the Meghalaya plateau and some of the northeastern states. So here we have the lateritic soil. So now this lateritic soil is actually formed because of the leaching of the soil. Now what is this leaching? Leaching means what? Like for example, suppose these are the three layers of the soil, and the upper layer of the soil, because of the very high amount of rainfall, the what you can say the nutrients and various what you can say soluble materials are dissolved into the water and they are leached downwards. मतलब ये जो ऊपर वाले जो material, whatever the nutrients are there, they dissolve and they leached downwards. वो नीचे चले जाते हैं, and of the upper layer there is what you can say only the red material or red what you can say the iron oxides are less. So what is the difference between the red soil and lateritic soil? That here in red soil there is no leaching and here in the lateritic soil there is leaching. Leaching means ऊपर का जो material dissolve होकर नीचे चला जाता है. So these soil, lateritic soils which are found in the Western Ghats, these are highly unusable. They are highly what you can say insignificant in terms of agricultural production. The red soil can give agricultural production in presence of what you can say the moisture, or they can give good production in the plain or what you can say in the basin. But here these soils cannot give any you can say the agricultural production. So such type of lateritic soils are found into the Western Ghat and they are also found into the northeastern such especially in Meghalaya and Shillong plateau. The last type of soil which is found in India is the arid or what we can say the desert soil. So I've seen in Rajasthan, some part of the Rajasthan, especially the western part of the Rajasthan, has what you can say very less amount of rainfall. There is now this soil is also alluvial in nature. That ये जो एरिया है वो alluvial या plain area ही है. जब हमने physiographic region जब हम देखा तो उस समय मैंने भी आप seen कि this area is also included into the northern plain. But the only difference between this area and this area is that की the amount of moisture. यहाँ पे बारिश बहुत कम होती है बिकॉज ऑफ द लैक ऑफ मॉइस्चर. यहाँ पर इस सॉइल में मॉइस्चर की कमतरता की वजह से या कमी की वजह से ये सॉइल एग्रीकल्चर के लिए सुटेबल नहीं है. बट दिस डेजर्ट सॉइल और एरिड सॉइल आर हैविंग व्हाट यू कैन से गुड अमाउंट ऑफ माइक्रो न्यूट्रिएंट्स. यहाँ इसमें न्यूट्रिएंट्स काफी ज्यादा होते हैं. कैन एनीबॉडी टेल व्हाट कुड बी द रीजन व्हाई द डेजर्ट सॉइल must be having high amount of micronutrients or nutrients which is required for the agriculture? What could be the reason why the desert soil or arid soil must be having high amount of micronutrients or nutrients which is required for the agriculture? The reason is that कि यहाँ पर बारिश ना होने की वजह से यहाँ पर किसी भी तरीके का एग्रीकल्चरल प्रैक्टिस अब तक हुआ नहीं है. Because of the lack of agricultural practice in this area, the nutrients have still not been utilized. Because in all other parts of the country, for centuries, like thousands of centuries, the people are practicing agriculture, and because of the practicing agriculture, the nutrients have been utilized by the millions of centuries agricultural practice. But here, since there is no agricultural practice, what you can say carried in this particular area, the nutrients are intact. So if the irrigation facility is available, then this arid soil may give good agricultural production, and that is the reason we can see that during what you can say the Jawaharlal Nehru, when he was a prime minister, one dam was built in Punjab and Haryana, और सतलज रिवर से यहाँ से एक नहर बनाया गया है, and that नहर is called as Indira Gandhi Nehar. And in spite of what you can say the low rainfall and arid soil, this particular area is growing wheat after the green revolution. अगर आप wheat cultivation का एरिया अगर बाद में देखो, if you find out that कि राजस्थान का ये वाला जो हिस्सा है यहाँ पर बारिश कम होती है, but in spite of that in this particular area we can find the wheat cultivation because this area can give good agricultural production provided there is what you can say the irrigation facility. So although what you can say the arid soil is what you can say lack of moisture, means actually the only limitation of the arid soil is the lack of moisture, but it is of इसमें nutrients बहुत ज्यादा होते हैं. बाकी के जितने भी टाइप के जो सॉइल्स है इंडिया में, whether it is a alluvial soil or whether it is a black soil or whether it is a red soil or whether it is lateritic soil, all the soils types what you can say they lack some or other types of nutrients, but the desert soil do have what you can say all types of nutrients, but the only limitation factor of the desert soil is the lack of moisture. So if irrigation facility is available, if moisture is available, the desert soil or arid soil can do good amount of agricultural production. So these are the types of soils which we need to what we can say remember. So important soil again the last important type of soil is the forest soil which is found in Jammu and Kashmir and Sikkim and in the Arunachal Pradesh. Then obviously forest and mountainous soil isko kaha jata hai. These type of soils are found in the high altitude area, and obviously because of the high altitude area these soils are not well developed because these soils are located in the slopey region. Because of the slope जहां पर सॉइल का जो प्रॉपर जो प्रोफाइल वो बनता नहीं है, बिकॉज जो भी सॉइल वट एवर द वेदरिंग इज देयर दैट वेदर मटेरियल इज इरोडेड by the rivers, eroded by the glacier, eroded by the rivers, and that is why here we do not find a well developed soil, and that is why these are called as mountainous soils or forest soil. So obviously these soils are not suitable for crops like wheat, rice, sugarcane. These soils cannot be grown, these mountainous and what is mountainous and the forest type of soil. Here we can grow the other types of crops like horticulture, or what we can say the apple orchards are what we can say grown in this particular area, and that's what you need to remember. So the last type of soil is forest or desert type of soil, which is found in Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, and this area. So these are the major types of soil which we have discussed today. That is alluvial soil, red soil, black soil, lateritic soil, arid soil, and forest and mountainous soil. So whenever you are studying the types of soil in India, what you need to remember? Important thing, what you need to remember कि सबसे ज्यादा soil कौन सा है, सबसे कम soil area wise सबसे कम कौन सा है वो आपको देखना है. उसके अलावा the location and distribution of the soil, and what are the causes for formation of such type of soil, and what are the nutrients available in that soil, and that soil lacks what type of nutrients, like alluvial soil lacks which nutrients, black soil lacks which nutrients, red soil lacks which nutrients, arid soil is a nutrient rich or not. That what need to remember. And we also need to remember that which type of crops are grown in a particular area. That's what you need to what you can say remember or revise while revising the types of soil in India. सॉइल से रिलेटेड पिछले 2-3 साल से लगातार क्वेश्चन पूछे जा रहे हैं. सॉइल हैज बिकम अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट व्हाट यू कैन से द टॉपिक फॉर यूपीएससी नाउ. आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द टाइप ऑफ सॉइल, हाउ द सॉइल्स आर फॉर्म्ड, soil pollution, soil erosion, soil what you can say conservation, various types of practices of the soil that I will be taking while I'll be discussing the environmental and ecology. उस समय में हम डिटेल में डिस्कस करेंगे. Today we have discussed only about the distribution of soils in India. Is it fine? So we'll stop it here today. We'll take a 5 minutes break and then we'll continue with the newspaper discussion for today. Just give me 5 minutes time break, then we'll continue with the newspaper discussion. So I will be sending you the new link where you can join for newspaper discussion. Any doubts about soil?
No, sir.